Why France could be your launchpad in drug development. Ladies and gentlemen, scientists, dreamers, and future leaders of global health innovation, let's talk about France. Not just France is the land of art, cuisine, and romance, but France is a powerhouse in drug development. Yes, the same country that gave us Louis Pasteur's breakthroughs in microbiology is today home to Sanofi, one of the world's pharmaceutical giants, and a thriving biotech scene that deserves your attention. And before we dive deep, here's something important. If you're serious about your future in this industry, I urge you to subscribe to Career Improv. It's your direct line to guidance, opportunities, and strategies that can transform your career. Don't just listen, don't just dream. Plug into a platform designed to push you forward. If you're wondering where to take your career as a fresh graduate, a mid-level professional hungry for growth, or a seasoned leader ready to make an impact, France has a story to tell you. And it's a story worth listening to. The Graduate Advantage. Start your journey in France at the beginning of your career. France can be an incredible springboard. The country is home to world-class universities and research institutions in CERN, CNRS, Paris-Saclay. These connect directly with pharma and biotech companies. That means you can step straight from the classroom into labs and clinical research where medicines are tested, developed, and brought closer to patients. Here are just a few entry-level roles in France: Research Associate degree in Biotechnology, Biochemistry, or Molecular Biology. Salary, 28 to 35,000 euros per year. Clinical Trial Assistant degree in Life Sciences, Pharmacy, Nursing, or Public Health. Salary, 30 to 38,000. Regulatory Affairs Associate degree in Pharmacy, Pharmaceutical Sciences, or Regulatory Affairs. Salary, 32 to 40,000. Quality Control Analyst degree in Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Sciences, or Biomedical Science. Salary, 27 to 33,000. Pharmacovigilance Associate degree in Pharmacy, Medicine, or Public Health. Salary, 35 to 42,000. And here's the big advantage: if you're a non-EU graduate, France offers the APS permit, giving you up to 24 months to stay and find work. Yes, there's a catch. Language matters. Most entry-level roles expect at least working French, but think of language not as a barrier, but as an investment in your global career currency. Mid-level momentum. Building a career in the hubs with 5 to 10 years of experience, France offers steady momentum. Biotech clusters in Paris-Saclay, Lyon, and Strasbourg are buzzing with startups, CROs, and global pharma offices. This is where France shows depth, not just breadth. The US may dazzle with volume. Switzerland may tempt with sky-high salaries. But France offers a solid middle ground: competitive pay, world-class work environments, and a culture that values research. And immigration? The talent passport makes it easier for skilled scientists to work and live in France. Senior leadership. France at the global table for directors and executives. France is home to Sanofi's global headquarters in Paris. Add an Ipsen and Servier, and you see why France matters. At this level, France rolls out the red carpet. The EU Blue Card is available for high-earning professionals. Companies actively sponsor visas for proven leaders. Salaries may not reach the US or Switzerland, but factor in healthcare, education, and quality of life, and you'll find balance. And remember, France sits at the heart of Europe. Leadership here shapes not just one country, but the entire region. Why France belongs in your career roadmap. France is not just a stepping stone. It's a destination worth aiming for. For graduates, a launchpad with post-study visas and entry-level opportunities. For mid-level professionals, a hub of biotech and pharma stability. For senior leaders, a stage with European and global influence. Yes, you'll face challenges. Bureaucracy, language, a slower pace of career progression compared to the US. But here's the truth: if you want a balanced career, innovation plus stability, competitive salaries plus quality of life, local depth plus global reach, then France deserves your attention. To everyone mapping out their next move in drug development, do not overlook France. It's a land of possibility, a country where science is woven into its culture, where pharma giants stand beside ambitious startups, and where your career can grow from the lab bench to the boardroom. If you want to stay ahead with insights and strategies at your fingertips, subscribe to Career Improv today. If you are bold, if you are willing to invest in yourself and your skills, your language, your adaptability, then France can be more than a chapter. It can be the foundation of your success in the global drug development arena. So I say this with conviction: keep France in your sights. The opportunities are real, the doors are open, and the future is waiting.